Model, 2016 Ford Transit Connect 221.5 TDCi 75ps van. Very clean. Needs clutch replacing 12 months MOT, open mouth smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 92,661. MOT, the 22nd of February 2025. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCi 75ps Stage 6A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect. Needs a new clutch slave cylinder as the pedal is on the floor, easy repair for the right person. Well worth getting this back driving smoothly down the road. First to see will buy this from us. Okay, hand medium light skin tone. Condition summary.